Welcome to the Tax-Free Strategy. Today, I'm breaking down how real estate investors legally pay little to no taxes and how you can do the same thing. Let's go. The tax code loves real estate investors. Why? Because they build housing, boost the economy, and create jobs. So the IRS rewards them with massive tax break. Let's unpack 5 key strategies they use to help keep more of their cash. Step 1 is simple. Buy income generating property. Whether it's a single family rental, a duplex, a commercial space, it opens the door to juicy deductions. We're talking mortgage interest, taxes, repairs, insurance, even your phone bill. If it helps run the property, it's probably deductible. Now, here's where the magic happens. Depreciation. The IRS lets you write off part of your property's value every year, even if it's appreciating or gaining in value. For residential rentals, you spread that value over 27 and a half years. This phantom expense reduces your taxable income without touching your bank account. Now that's beautiful. Want to go turbo mode? Use cost segregation. What's cost segregation? I'm glad you asked. It breaks down your building into components, like carpets and cabinets, that can be written off faster. Then pair that with bonus depreciation, and boom, giant deductions in year one. That's how investors show paper losses while making real profits. That's magic. Want to take it to the next level? Yes, we can go higher. Become a real estate professional. If you or your spouse spend 750 hours or more a year actively working in real estate and it's your main gig, you can use real estate losses to offset your W 2 income or your business income. That's a game changer, especially for high earners. All right, here's the strategy billionaires love. Yes, I said billionaires. Buy, borrow, die. First, they buy appreciating assets. Then, they borrow against that equity, tax free. And when they pass away, their heirs get a step up in basis, erasing capital gains. It's the ultimate wealth building tax saving combination. So, ready to get started? All right. Step 1, buy a rental you can manage. Step 2, track every single expense. Step 3, get a real estate savvy tax strategist like me. Step 4, learn and apply depreciation and cost segregation rules. Step 5, scale up and keep more of what you earn. You don't need to cheat the tax code, you just need to understand it or find someone who does. Like, comment, and subscribe for more daily tax hacks, strategies, and savings. Visit us at thetaxfreestrategy.com and turn your tax season into wealth season. Thanks for watching.